Today I'm going to discuss this question which just came in JEE Advanced 2026 17th May Mathematics. Question is like this: let R denote the set of all real numbers. Consider the polynomial function f from R to R defined by fx is equal to 10th derivative of x square minus 1 whole to the power 10. Okay, for all x belongs to R. Here 10th derivative of x square minus 1 power 10 is the 10th order derivative of the function of x square minus 1 power 10. Then which of the following is or are true? Okay, so multiple correct answers is possible. So after solving I have got a, b, c are correct and d is wrong. Let us see how it is happening. Okay, now your fx is 10th derivative of this function x square minus 1 power 10. Okay, now when we expand this x square minus 1 power 10 by using binomial theorem, you get that expansion of x square minus power 10 is like this: 10 cr, first term is x square, so x square power 10 minus r, and second term is minus 1 to the power r, summation r 0 to 10. Okay, so we just bring this a minus 1 power r to this position and x to the another last position. Okay, so that in differentiation it will become easier to handle it. So also differentiation of this, only this term, 10th derivative of x power 20 minus 2r. Why 20 minus 2r? This 2 into 10 minus r. Okay, x square was there. So how? First time 20 minus 2r into next time 9th derivative of x power 19 minus 2. Okay, you know that x power n derivative is n into x power n minus 1. So using that, again if you differentiate you will get 19 minus 2r here and 8th derivative of this function x power 18 minus 2. Okay, in this way up to 10 times you will get that. The lastly you will get 11 minus 2r into x power 10 minus 2r. Okay, continuously differentiating up to 10 times, then you will get, you will understand like this also. This is the second term 19, so when we will differentiate it 10 times, so what you will get? 20 minus 10 plus 1. Okay, this is 20 minus 2 plus 1. 20 minus 2 means 18 plus 1. Okay, so 10th position 10 20 minus 10 plus 1, so 11 minus 2, and this x power 10 minus 2. Now for coefficient of x power 8 in fx will be, this power must be equal to 8. Okay, so when you put 10 minus 2r equal to 8, you will get r is equal to 1. So to get the coefficient of x power 8, we just put r equal to 1 in this expression. So we do not need now summation, only one term we need, that is r is equal to 1. So the moment we put r is 1, so 10 cr 10 c1 minus 1 power 1 here, 20 minus 2 into 1, that is 18, 17, 16 up to here, 11 minus 2 into 1, that is 9. Okay, and x power 10 minus 2r is 8, so x power 8, so that will be the coefficients. Okay, so we will just collect this term over here. Minus 1 power 1 is minus, okay, and 10c1. Okay, now 10c1 is nothing but 10. I have just added factorial 8 divided by factorial 8. So it will help you to get this term into factorial 8 will give you factorial 18. Okay, this 10 10 and divided by factorial 8. So you are getting that option A is correct. It is looking like option A. Okay, for that I have done this substitution. So option A is correct. Now come to the second option. Let us see. Again fx is 10th derivative of x square minus 1 power 10. Okay, now x square minus 1 can be written as x minus 1 x plus 1. So if we differentiate this first time for the first derivative, so what you will get? X minus 1 power 10 into this derivative of this 10 into x plus 1 power n 9 plus this whole x plus 1 power 10 into 10 into x minus 1 power 9. Okay, again if we will differentiate this second time, so firstly we differentiate this, then we will differentiate this. Again product rule we will use. So x minus power 10 1 into 10 into 9 into x plus 1 power 8. Again this whole will be come together, 10 into x plus 1 power 9 into differentiation of this 10 into x minus 1 power 9, again this term, so x plus 1 power 10 as it is. This will give you 10 into 9 into x minus 1 power 8 plus this whole will come here and 10 into x plus 1 power 9. This is the second derivative. In this way you have to do the 10 times. So if you will study it properly, what you will see that if we differentiate 10 times, then we get one term independent of x minus 1. Okay, means the whole expression after differentiating 10 times, one term will come in such a way that there will be no x minus 1 term available. Okay, one by one it will come to the 8, then 7, then 6 up to power 0, that is 1, means independent of x minus 1. Similarly in this case also this will continuously, you will get 10 into 9 into 8 into x plus 1 power 7, again next time x plus 1 power 6 and so on up to independent of x plus 1. So you will be left with only this much and this much. Okay, after differentiating 10 times, remaining terms will be there. Okay, remaining terms will be there, but we will see only the term which is independent of x plus 1 or x minus 1. Why? Because we have to check the second option, that is f of 1 and f of minus 1. So one more line I have written, when we get one term independent of x minus 1, that is x minus 1 power 0, its value will be x plus 1 power 10, means in this type of format x plus 1 power 10, 10 into 9 into 8 into 3 2 1. Similarly we get one term independent of x plus 1, that is x plus 1 power 0, its value will be in this format x minus 1 power 10, 10 into 9 into 8 3 2 1. Remaining terms will become 0 if we put x equal to 1 or x equal to minus 1. Both cases remaining terms will become 0. Okay, so therefore f of 1, in which case, like in this case, f of 1 will be 1 plus 1 power 10, 10 into 9 into 8 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is 2 power 10 into factorial 10. Okay. And when your expression is independent of x plus 1, that is f of minus 1, if you have to find out, then we will go through this one. So minus 1 power 10 factorial 10, this is nothing but factorial 10. So f of minus 1 give you 2 to the power 10 into factorial 10. Why? Because minus 2 power 10 even number, power of minus 1 is plus 1. So these two are same. So f of 1 plus f of minus 1 will give you 2 to the power 11 into factorial 10, because 2 into twice of these terms, 2 to the power 10 factorial 10. So option B is also correct. Okay, so now let us see for the third option. Since fx is obtained by 10th derivative of this x square minus 1 power 10, where maximum power of x is 20 after opening using binomial theorem. So degree of fx means fx is nothing but 10th derivative of this one. So what you will 10 times, if you will differentiate x to the power 20, you will get the degree of x, the power of x as 10 in the fx. Okay, how you are getting? Maximum power is 20 and you are differentiating it 10 times, 20 minus 10 is 10. So option C is also correct. Now come to the option D. Fx, again we have done this, we have written in this format fx as it is the derivative of 10th derivative of x square minus 1 power 10. So already we have discussed this one. Now constant term you have to find out. In the last option we have to find constant term. How you will get constant term? If it is independent of x. Independent of x means 10 minus 2r is 0, that is r is 5. So coefficient will be 10c5 minus 1 power 5 and 10 9 8 3 2 1 up to, because 5 to the 10, 11 minus 10 is 1. Okay, so you are getting 10c5 minus 1 for this one and this one factorial 10. Okay, 10c5 is nothing, factorial 10 upon factorial 5 upon factorial into factorial 5, because NCR means factorial n divided by n minus r factorial and factorial r. So using that, so you can see that 10 upon factorial 5 and 10 upon factorial 5. So 10 upon factorial 5 whole square minus. But option D was only minus 10 upon factorial 5. Square was missing there. Okay, so option D is false. Thank you.